morning students. This is Dr. N. Shirisha, Associate Professor from CSE Department, MLR Institute of Technology. In this session, we are going to see about JavaScript DOM. DOM is nothing but the document object model. In the previous session, we have seen how to use different JavaScript objects. So, objects we have used document.write, which is nothing but where we are using a DOM model. So, document object model is nothing but a DOM. So, the overview of presentation will be about what is DOM, so uses of DOM and also the DOM methods and examples. So, what are the methods that you have to use for using DOM and with the help of some examples. Then what is DOM? So, DOM, it's a document object model which is W3 consortium, W3C standard, and it defines for standard for accessing the documents. So, how to access the documents using a simple object. That's a DOM. So, DOM is a platform and language neutral interface. Platform and language neutral. So, this can be used only in the JavaScript and XML, and that allows the programs and scripts to dynamically access, manipulate the content or update the content or the structure or style of the document. You can either access that or you can either update it. Suppose if I have the something like MLR in red color. Now I just wanted to change the font color to blue. So what I should do? I should access the styling. The style of a document has to be changed by using this document object model. Okay, so that can be done using this DOM. Then we have W3C DOM has three different parts: core DOM, XML DOM and HTML DOM. HTML DOM where we have already discussed in the first unit HTML. XML DOM we have used in the second unit, that's XML part, and the core DOM in all the document types we can use it. So HTML DOM where we have used this when a web page is loaded. So, when a web page is loaded, the browser will create a document object model, and this is a tree of the object. Say you have document HTML, these are the elements and these are the this is the attribute for this element, and this is these are the values you are passing for the different elements. Okay. So, uses of DOM. So, JavaScript can change all the HTML elements in the page. So, HTML elements means what? Suppose whatever we have. So, this is the element. Body can be changed. H1 can be changed. Okay. Like that it will change the elements. Then it can change the HTML attributes. Attributes means the properties that you are going to use or going to give for your elements. CSS styling, the styles for the cascading styles sheet. For JavaScript, HTML elements, remove the existing HTML elements and attributes, and can add a HTML elements. That means you can add the content or you can remove the content, you can update the content also. So, that can be done. React all the existing HTML events in the page. So, what are the events that are being occurred? So, that can be affected using this DOM also, and it can create a new HTML events in the page. Okay, so these are the few uses of JavaScript DOM, and how to write a JavaScript DOM method. Okay, so here we have created one function in JavaScript. We create a function f1 or any function. This is a function name that can be created using the keyword function. So here you are creating the variable name document.forms. What are the forms you have? Form 1 and name. So form 1 is a if you have multiple forms, so unique name will be given for each form. Using that unique name only you will access the forms. So here we have given form 1. So name and dot value. So its value we are changing. Okay. So document.write name. So what we are doing inside the form, you have created form. So this is the name of the form we are giving. So what you are changing? Document.form, this form 1 you are going to change. Input type is text, name is name. Input type equal to submit. On click function. So when you are clicking on the submit button, what is being called? Your this function will get called. So when a function is called, what happens? This has to be displayed. So let us see here how it will work. So here is a document object model with the help of the function. Okay, just refresh the page. So here is a form. We have given only one input type text and submit button. So here whatever you give, okay, just submit it. It is going to display. That means what? When a submit button is clicked, your function is getting called. So your function is displaying the value that you have given in the form. So which form? Form 1 name. So what is the name? This one. The name which we are printing, we are giving in the form. So that has been printed. Okay. So this is how you can use DOM. Then here is where we are using a method too. So here we have used document.forms and with document.write. So here you are giving document dot get element by ID. So here you have given some ID. We have to change this paragraph finding HTML elements by ID with the hello everyone. So that means updating the content. So updating the content can also be done using this DOM. This is a second type of writing a DOM function. Okay. So just refresh. Finding HTML elements by ID. So where is that? Finding HTML elements by ID. So just refresh. So what is the ID? Intro. Just I am changing this as I have copied. I am changing this to double quotes. Okay, hello everyone. What is this hello everyone? Hello everyone, we are passing to inner.html with document with the DOM, that is a document.getElement by ID. So it has been changed to what? Hello everyone. Okay, next. Similarly, there is other methods. So here we are using getElement by tag name. So when we will use tag name? In the XML. So here XML or HTML. So P of document.getElement by tag name of 0 will be taking this P tag. Document.getElement by tag name of P of 1. That means it will take this one. So this is 0, this is 1. Okay. Inner HTML, hello, bye. So this finding HTML elements by tag name is replaced by hello, and this example demonstrates getElement by tag name method. So this will be replaced with by. So here is how we are updating the content using the document object model. And here is another example where we can use by class name. So getElement by ID is one, getElement by tag name is the other method, and getElement by class name. So here we are defining the classes, two different classes with different elements. Okay. And by class name, so we are passing in intro of zeros. This is again 0, this is 1. So when you are giving 0, this will get updated, hello. So this is hello will be displayed, and this is hi everyone. So that is the output it is going to print. Okay. So getElement by ID, getElement by tag name, getElement by class name. These are the different methods where you can access a simple document object model. So in this session, what is DOM and how to use a HTML DOM, how to use XML DOM, and what are the different methods that we are used in the DOM is been explained. Hope you all understood. Thank you all.